Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
Well, good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. Well, my first message this week is to offer a thanks to all of our students who I know are doing their very, very best during this period of remote and flexible learning. And I want to say a big thank you for your flexibility and resilience during this time. And know that sometimes remote and flexible learning doesn't always go the way that we want it to. But please know that at school there is always someone here for you, and we're only an email or a phone call away. My next message is, over the past week I've heard a lot of laughter in the school community, and you're going to find out about that later on in our online assembly. A couple of messages. Unfortunately next week we're going to have to postpone the Year 5 camp. I know Group B were really looking forward to getting down to CYC, the island. However, we have rescheduled that camp to now occur in the last week of school in Term 4. So fingers crossed we're still going to proceed with that camp so our students can get down and have lots and lots of exciting and fun camp experiences. I'd also like to say, unfortunately, we've had to postpone our life education program. That's Harold. Many of you would know Harold, and we look forward to the life education van visiting the school next year. I would also like to say a really big thank you and show my gratitude to all of our staff at the school, because I know our staff are working very, very hard and putting in some very, very long hours supporting our students during this time. Well, take care everybody, look after yourself, and I look forward to seeing you back at school as soon as we can get here. Take care now.
What have you learned in the last 100 days at school?
I learned how to count to 100.
Ooh,
I learned about phonics.
good job.
I learned about how to learn my letters. I learned how to read.
Great job, guys. Thumbs up. All right, Preps, what have you learned in the last 100 days at school? All right, Jack, you go.
I learned how to color in lines.
Woohoo.
I learned how to hold a pen freely. I learned how to read. I learned how to remember high frequency.
Good job.
ha 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 ha